In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up WhatsApp messages. First, I open WhatsApp app on my Android phone. Now click on this three dot menu. Again, click on setting. Just scroll down, then click on chart. Then you can see here are the backup option. Just click on chart backup. Now you need to click on backup. Wow, it's already going to be 100% done. Oh, and now if you want to create its automatic, just click on automatic backup. Then here are daily, weekly, monthly, and when you uh, tap to backup. So this is a method how you can backup. Otherwise, if you want to include video, so just click on here backup using um, cellular. Just click on here. So I don't need this on video. So this is a method how you can backup your WhatsApp chat or messages. So if you have found this video helpful, for make sure like and subscribe the channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.